Good morning class 10. Welcome back to the class. So we were in the chapter area related to circles, right? So we have discussed certain identities, we have solved some questions. Today we will solve a different variety of questions. Like in this question, the question says, there is a broche or you say an ornament which is made up of silver wire. The diameter of this circular design is 35 millimeter. Now you see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diameters. Okay. Now this entire circular pattern is designed into by 5 diameters, 10 sectors, right? Question says find the area of each sector. Also find the total length of the wire that has been used in making this design. So entire length of the wire is equal to circumference C plus 5 diameters, right? So what is circumference? 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Diameter is 35 millimeter. So 35 upon 2 millimeters. This is the circumference plus 5 times the diameter, that is 35 millimeter. Now 7 goes 5 times, 2 cancel with 2, 22 into 5 110 plus 5 into 35 175, total 285 millimeter. This is the length of the silver wire that has been used to make this particular design, this particular pattern. Now the question says find the area of each sector that has been formed. So there are 10 equal sectors. The entire angle at the center is 360 degrees. 360 divided by 10, theta becomes 36 degrees. Okay. Now area of sector, pi r square theta upon 360. So area of each sector 22 by 7 into r square, that is 35 upon 2 into 35 upon 2 into theta 36 upon 360, right? 36 goes 10 times, 7 goes 5 times, 5 goes 2 times, right? Now this 2 goes 11 times. What are we left with? 11 into 35, 385 upon 4. So area of each sector is 96.25 millimeter square. I hope you understood this solution. Let's come to another question, another plain figure. Now this is a circular tablecloth, okay, and on it there is a design carved here. So we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a regular hexagon. Radius is given as 28 centimeters. Okay. Now, if I consider here the center, so angle formed, this theta, will be 60 degrees. Obviously, you have 6 chords, 6 equal chords. So each chord will subtend an angle of 60 degrees. So we have theta equal to 60 degrees. And this design is made. This design is made in the segment. Segment is area of circle, area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay. So first we have to find the area in which the design has been made. Area equal to 6 into 1 sector. Okay. 6 into area of sector pi r square. I'll write pi theta upon 360 minus. See, this angle is 60 degree. These two are radii, they will be equal. So these two angles will also be equal. Ultimately, the triangle turns out to be equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 side square, right? root 3 upon 4 side square. Side square is radius, 28 into 28. This is the area of one sector. Multiplied by 6, you will get the entire area of the design. 7 goes 4 times. 60 goes 6 times. Let's bring this 6 inside. So 22 into 4, 88 into 28. 6 cancelled with 6. Minus, here you see, 4 goes 7 times. So 28 into 7 into under root 3 can be taken as 1.73. This 6 is being multiplied into 6. Centimeter square. This is the entire area of the design that we have, right? Now total cost. The cost of making the design is rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. So entire area multiplied by 35 paise. So 88 into 28 minus 28 into 7 6 are 42 into 1.73 whole multiplied by rupees 0.35 means 35 upon 100. Right, children? Okay. I hope you can do this solution comfortably without any problem. Right? So this will give you the total cost of making the design. Let's move on to another question. Okay, this. Now we have a circle. The question says PQ is 24 centimeters, PR is 7 centimeters. Find the area of shaded region. So shaded region is equal to semicircle minus area of triangle PQR. Okay. Shaded portion. Semicircle. RQ is the diameter because it passes through center O. QP is a chord. PR is another chord. You have. Now we know one thing. We have studied a theorem in class 9 that the diameter of a circle subtends right angle at any point on the circumference. If this is the diameter, anywhere on the circumference of the circle, the angle subtended by this diameter will always be a right angle. So we know that this angle is 90 degree. So we have perpendicular and base of the right triangle. We need to find the hypotenuse. So first we will find QR, diameter, under root 24 square plus 7 square. That is 576 plus 49. Under root 625, that is 25 centimeter. This is the diameter. So radius will be 25 upon 2 centimeters. Now shaded region, required region. Semicircle, area of semicircle, half pi r square. Half into I can take pi as 3.14. R square, that is 25 by 2 whole square. 625 by 4 minus area of right triangle. So half into base into height, 7 into 24. Okay, this 2 goes 1.57 times. So we have 625 into 1.57 divided by 4 minus 2 goes 12 times, 84. Calculate it and find the area, centimeter square. This is the area of the shaded region in this particular question. Let's move on. See children, even if it is not given that take pi equal to 3.14, to make the calculations easier, if there is no term in the numerator which is divided by 7, because in pi you will have 22 upon 7. तो अगर न्यूमरेटर में कोई भी टर्म नहीं है जो 7 से डिविजिबल है, in that case it is advised to use pi equal to 3.14. That will make the calculation easier. Okay, next question. We have a square. The side of the square is given as 10 meter and we have to find the area of shaded region. So children, this is a semicircle. with diameter equal to side of the square. So radius will be equal to half the side of the square. Suppose I draw this line, and here also I draw this line. Consider this A, B, C, D as a square. Okay. Now this is an arc. So this forms a sector, and if I join this, it is a segment. Now 2 segments plus 2 segments plus 2 plus 2, total 8 segments. What is theta? 90 degree. What is r? Half the side of the square. So r equal to 5 meters, theta equal to 180 degrees, 90 degrees. Now required area is equal to 8 times the area of one segment. 8 into area of segment. 8. Area of segment. Area of sector minus area of triangle. So sector, this sector is formed by 90 degrees, theta upon 360, 1/4 of a circle. So 1/4 pi 3.14 into r square, that is 25, minus half into area of right triangle, base into height, 5 into 5. 8 goes inside. So 2 into 25 is 50. 50 into 3.14 minus 8 goes inside, 2 goes 4 times. 4 into 25, 100. This 0 takes out one decimal to the right side. 31.4 multiplied by 5. (157 minus 100), that is 57 meter square. This is the area of the shaded part, right children? In the same way, try to solve as many questions as you can from NCERT exercise, then we'll move ahead.